Hello guys, my name is Kibet. Welcome back to my YouTube channel or Instagram or wherever you're watching this from. And today I'm going to take you through a trip I went to from Nairobi to Nyahururu via train. So I have to do this option because I wanted to change sceneries. I've been using public means for every place I've been going to. I've been using matatus and buses, but this time I wanted to use normal train. Actually, it's not SGR, it is just a normal commuter train. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Oh, and there was someone who was asking me about how they can support or fund the next trip. So if you're okay, you can help me. The pin M-Pesa pale, you can support me in any way so that I can continue producing more content for you guys, so that you can see all the hidden gems I've been going to, not through. Yeah, English unajua ilikuja na meli. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video. Bye. There is something special about slowing down and letting the journey become part of the adventure. In this trip, I decided to take first class, which was around 1300 Kenya shillings, which was a one-way ticket. And the reason for this was because the seats were spacious, it was comfortable and perfect for me to enjoy the breathtaking views along the route. If you're traveling on a tighter budget, then you can use the regular ticket, which is around 600 one way, making this one of Kenya's most affordable scenic train experiences. The trip was around 7 to 8 hours there, because we left Nairobi at around 10 and we arrived at around 5:10ish, 5:15 or something. Don't remember the exact time, but normally takes around 7 to 8 hours. Apart from the train trip, my main destination was the iconic Thompson's Falls. From the perfect cool weather, the sounds of the waterfall crashing below, and the lush green environment, it's one of those places that reminds you just how beautiful Kenya is. After I posted stories and small reels about the place, I got a lot of questions about my budget, how much I spent, and in total for the 2 nights and 3 days, the total cost was approximately 8,000, and this is the breakdown. The first breakdown is the fare, train fare, the return fare, that is 1,300 to and from, that is 2,600. Accommodation was 1,500. I got a very nice accommodation within town. CBD, I normally choose to stay within town, the central place, so that I can be able to walk through town and get easily to all the places I want to go to. The third one was meals and other expenses, including border rides, small shoppings, chakula and all that. That was around 3,000. So in total, I spent around 8,000. From this budget, it is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to have an amazing time, an amazing getaway, or go to these hidden gems. So with a very good budget na ukijipanga vizuri, you can enjoy your life. Naambia mwili pole. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe hapo utaniokolea. See you next time.